Hello my loves and welcome to another video. My name is Chrissy if you haven't been here before. If you have, welcome back. Today I am doing another Shop My Stash. The stuff that I have laid before you is just the stuff that's always going to be in my Shop My Stash. My brow products, my only nude liner, my Tarte Amazonian Clay is the only one that is matching me right now, and my Urban Decay eyeshadow. And so why don't we just jump right into our video. So first I am going to choose an eyeshadow, and right here is where I keep all my eyeshadows. Let's get this out of the way. And that. Right here is where I keep all my eyeshadows. So I have all of my most used stuff up on top. This is stuff that has both mattes and, actually this is stuff that has mattes in it. Some of them are all mattes actually. This week, I think I am going to do stuff I either haven't used at all or haven't used in a while. And I haven't used this Supernatural palette that is right here in a very long time. So I think I am going to use this week. And I'll just open it up for you. So yeah, there's the Supernatural palette. There used to be another blue and a red in there, but I think I've said this in a video before. I went through and I was picking out eyeshadows that I didn't like, and I picked them out, and I actually regret that now. So yeah, so yes, I'm going to go ahead and try using this again this week. Go right into mascara. I usually use my Essence Lash Princess. What haven't I used? I have used, you know what, I have not used this Marc Jacobs right here at all, so I am going to go ahead and use this Marc Jacobs mascara. It is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in 10 Noir. So I'm going to go ahead and use this week. Then we come over into our face products. I am not going to pick out a foundation because I've already using one. For face primers, I have a lot. So I have this True Blend, which is for oily skin, which I'm probably going to declutter. Let's just get that out of there. I have this redness one. Let's see. You know what? This is from Rue 21. I have not used it at all. Okay, so no, this does not say that it is mattifying. So I am going to go ahead and try using this week and see how it works. Let's move these down. All right, this week for my setting spray. My setting sprays are in the back, and I also have one right here, which is, you know what? I'm going to try this one. This is the Physicians Formula hashtag InstaReady. I'm going to go ahead and try that. All right, doesn't say anything about being mattifying, so we're going to go ahead and use that. And for concealers, I am going to use this CoverGirl concealer. This might be a little too light, but we'll see. It's the CoverGirl Clean, and it is in not going to focus. It is in Fair. All right, after that is setting powders, and I am also going to try this Rue 21 setting powder. I have not used this before. It looks like it's pretty finely milled, so I'll go ahead and I'll try that. Ooh, I am not going to try that. We're going to declutter that. So I usually use either of these. I'll use the Makeup Forever one this week. Okay, after that, we have other face products. So for blush this week, I am going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Pool Party. I haven't tried it yet. In fact, I just bought it yesterday, so we'll see how that looks. For bronzer, I usually use one of my two Physicians Formulas for bronzers. So I am going to go ahead and try this bronzer in this Smashbox. Oh, what is this called? The Smashbox. I don't remember what it's called, but I will leave the description, or I'll leave the name of it down in the description below. So I'm going to go ahead and try using that. Let's see what else we got here. Those are all that. for highlight, you know what? For highlighters, I am going to go into this Master Contour Palette by Maybelline. I am going to use this highlighter on the end. I don't think I've used it very much, so I'm going to go ahead and try that this week. And down here on the bottom, we have our perfumes. And I have never tried this little guy right here, which is Tom Ford Black Orchid. Yeah, I haven't tried that. So I'm going to go ahead and use that as my perfume this week. And, okay, for my black eyeliner this week, I usually use a liquid liner. I am trying to go through these and get rid of ones that I don't like or don't work very well. So I am going to just go ahead and take the first one. I am going to take this Glimmer Sticks waterproof eyeliner. And I had no idea that this was waterproof. It's black as night. I'm going to go ahead and try using this. So yeah, that is my Shop My Stash this week. There is a pan out of my stash. My lashes are in there now. Not that I will probably use them this week. I don't think I'm going and doing anything exciting. But yeah, there's everything. I hope you all have a wonderful week. If you have any questions or comments, you can ask down below. Sorry that my Shop My Stash was late this week. I was very busy yesterday and wasn't able to do it. So yes, I hope all of my loves have a wonderful weekend. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you've already liked this video and you want to see some more Shop My Stashes every Sunday or Monday, just hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I post a video, then please press the notification bell. I'll see you all loves in my next video. Bye.